So my name's Kyle Leroux. I'm the manager of Aquatic Maintenance for the YMCA of San Diego County. We have 16 branches with 32 bodies of water. So before DigiQuatics, we would manage our staff schedule by using Excel, and we would do checklists by paper. We noticed that our paper checklists would only be checked off maybe once or twice a week. They were not completing the checklists. Our schedule would also take about a week to 2 weeks before we could even get it out, so it was very time consuming. With DigiQuatics, we've noticed an increase in our checklists being completed, 100%, and our scheduling is a lot easier to cut down our time a lot. So the way the patron counts work in DigiQuatics is we were able to click on what bodies of water we wanted to see how many people are at, and we just click on it and put it in. It's very easy, very simple, and what we're excited about for the future, we don't have enough data yet because we're still new to DigiQuatics, but we're excited to see when our trends are of people at different bodies of water. How many people are during open swim versus lap swim, things like that. And what's great about DigiQuatics is you can separate all that out. So by using the schedule module for our staff, it's really helped that the staff can go in and put in their availability versus us tracking them down and putting it on a piece of paper and then keeping track of that paper in a binder. It's really nice that they can do it on their own. They can do it either at home or they can do it on their phone and put in their availability for their schedule. So what's great about using the maintenance module is that the staff can go in if there's ever a maintenance issue and they can put it in. And they can rate it, whether it's low, medium, or high. And then I can go in as an admin and I can set parameters around what I need to get notified for. So if I want to get notified for a high, it'll actually come as a text message or an email to me, and then I can see what's going on. Is it immediate? Do I need to go in right away and fix it? Or is it something that I can maybe take care of the next day? So my favorite thing about DigiQuatics is I can be either sitting at home, someone could call me up and say, hey, we have an issue with the pool, with our chems. Instead of me having them take the time and checking the chems or taking a picture of the chemical record, I can just pull up DigiQuatics, look exactly what they put in for the chemicals, and I can do my calculations and know the answer, go pick up the chems, and then take care of that situation myself. So from a legal and risk management perspective of using DigiQuatics and having our logs, everything is time-stamped. We are able to check to make sure that our chemicals were checked at a certain time, on a certain day. Looking back, we have forever. You can pull it from 10 years ago, 20 years ago, longer than that. What my staff think about DigiQuatics, at first they were tentative, but as soon as they got on board and I helped coach them and let them know a little bit about what the effects that DigiQuatics could be in the future and the benefits it could be, they kind of went all in. They really made sure that we were doing what we were supposed to be doing with DigiQuatics. They were always asking about it and trying to find ways that we could use it to better assist us and make our branch better. So when we first decided to use DigiQuatics in our association, we decided to do a pilot. So we got the app set up and we ran with it for about 3 months. Then we took it to our operation team for our association and let them know exactly what it was going to be like moving forward. If another branch or another organization wanted to use DigiQuatics, I would tell them that it's going to take time at first, but it would definitely be worth it. You have to take the time, get all your checklists together, your staffing in the right format, but once you have done that, once it's been implemented, it will save you a lot of time, possibly money, it will save you a lot of headache. So with the time that we're saving using DigiQuatics, we are able to meet more members, we're able to help out our program, grow our program, get more into the community, do what we love.